In this lesson, we're going to focus on designing AI tools, not just using them. This module is about being intentional, choosing the right type of AI tool for a real classroom or professional need. You do not need to be technical, and you do not need paid software to participate. By now, you've seen AI used for brainstorming, tutoring, differentiation, and admin work. But as AI tools expand, teachers are often asked to use tools without understanding why one tool is better than another. In this module, we flip that. We start with the problem, then choose the tool. In education, most AI tools fall into two broad categories. Custom AI assistants are conversational. They respond to prompts. AI-powered tools or apps are structured. They take specific inputs and produce specific outputs. Neither is better. They serve different purposes. A custom AI assistant is essentially a chatbot with purpose. You give it instructions like a role, expectation, tone, and constraints. It's great when you want back and forth thinking, feedback, or language-based support. Assistants shine when the task involves language, explanation, or guidance. They're especially helpful for drafting, coaching, or responding to varied prompts. If you'd normally ask a person for help, an assistant might be the right fit. Assistants are powerful, but they aren't perfect. They can hallucinate, misunderstand context, or give uneven responses. They are best used when a human will review, refine, or guide the output. An AI-powered tool or mini-app is more structured. Instead of open conversation, it usually asks for specific inputs and gives a consistent output. Think systems, flowworks, or repeatable processes. Tools are best when the task is repeatable and benefits from consistency. If you're doing the same type of task over and over, a tool often makes more sense than a chatbot. Tools trade flexibility for reliability. They're excellent once designed, but they don't adapt on the fly the way assistants do. That's why design thinking matters before you build. These three questions will guide almost every decision in this module. If you need thinking and language, assistant. If you need structure and efficiency, tool. You'll practice this decision-making next. A final reminder, this module is not about becoming a developer. It's about making smart instructional choices with AI. If you can clearly explain what you want a tool to do, you're ready for what comes next.